Welcome to Grow and Give, a modern victory garden project from Colorado State University Extension. We're here to help you learn to grow food for yourself, your family, your neighbors, and your community. Share the harvest. Keep it local.
It is critical in Colorado to pay close attention to your plants' water needs. This is because we have intense sun and low humidity and sometimes infrequent rain. Evaporation is high from the soil, which means we need to water frequently. If you've just planted seeds, you need to keep the top 1 or 2 inches of that seed bed moist continuously until the plants germinate. If you're growing in containers, containers will need to be watered more frequently than in-ground gardens. Water according to need, not on a schedule. The best way to determine if you need to water is to stick your finger into the soil 2 or 3 inches. If the soil is dry, then you should water. Your plants will also give you clues whether they are beginning to be water stressed. They may turn an off color like a gray or begin to wilt. In the mid-season, when the temperatures are high, when it's windy outside, or when your containers become root bound, you will need to water more frequently. And then you will need to water less frequently early in the season when it's humid or raining or cloudy. Keep in mind that container plants may not get the rainwater that the in-ground gardens will get. So double check your containers to be sure that they're moist soil even if it's been raining. The easiest way to water is with a watering can or a hose. You can put a sprinkler attachment on the end of the hose where it's easy to turn the water on and off so that you don't waste water. Be aware that overhead watering can lead to diseases spreading when water droplets splash from one diseased plant to another. Moist leaves are also the perfect climate for diseases to grow. Drip irrigation is expensive, but it saves money on water. You can install it under a mulch where it will reduce water by 50%. A less expensive option is using soaker hoses. They can be placed on the soil surface, under mulch, or buried 2 inches in the soil.
Learn more, grow more. Contact your local CSU Extension office.